Today it's October 26th, 2017, and we are on the DAX 30 live. 4 hours. Okay, so let's have a look at levels to watch here. As we can see, we have our 61 Fibonacci angle count. Now, as we can see currently at the moment in pre-market, we're getting a sell-off on the DAX, which I think is due to Deutsche Bank and a few other banks, European banks, reporting earnings, which I think the market still sees as disappointing. And we know Deutsche Bank has been bought into past couple of weeks, so it'd be interesting when the market opens if that gets smacked down. We'll have to wait and see. But anyway, on the 4-hour chart, we can see these long wicks on these candles. The one last night, the one the other week, I believe that is. What day is that? Can't see. I think that was Thursday of last week, and then this one a couple of weeks back. As we can see, more importantly with these two, that every sell down attempt, once the price has reached this area of 12,915 odd, the bulls, the buyers have defended that each time and have managed to, from this point, test it up here. Didn't quite get down as far on this swing, moved up, so forth. And then last night we had another retest, which was the third, which I'll get back to that, why that's so important in a minute, which was rejected again. And so currently at the moment we've got this candle, this current candle on the 4-hour that's moving down. It's testing the 61.8. Now a few things here on the 4-hour chart. If we get a meaningful sell down and the next candle crosses over below that 61.8, I think there's a high probability of, if the bears push it down to this 9.15 level again on the 4th attempt, there's probably a high probability that they'll bust through it. And the reason why is, anyone that follows Gann's methods, Gann would often say, whenever you're looking at support, horizontal support and resistance areas, it's always upon the 4th attempt of that test. So in other words here, the 4th attempt of this test of support, that it's always the 4th attempt that area will be broken through. And if it does, it'll be broken through convincingly. So this is very interesting. If it pushes down here, we could actually see a meaningful break below. So we'll have to wait and see during the course of the day how this plays out. Keeping in mind, we also have those clowns from the ECB with rate announcement, which we know will be left unchanged, but it's what the clown says afterwards, whether he talks up the markets or not, which will probably ultimately maybe dictate where this goes. So anyway, we've got some levels to watch here, and that'll be my call for the DAX 30 index today.